वॉइस ऑफ अमेरिका वॉशिंगटन की उर्दू सर्विस से एक न्यूज शो के साथ मैं हूं आपका मेजबान खालिद हमीद।
Good content is equal to impact, and impact is equal to change.
I would say we have gone like an extra mile to dig out stories.
We've gone from, I think, 18,000 followers on our main Facebook page, and now we have almost 400,000. So it's been great to see that growth and see our engagement grow over the years.
We have to take care of the motto of Voice of America. There's the accuracy, balance, and the objectivity.
Nusrat Shabnam, Kamran Haider, Abdul Rahman in Lahore, Sohail Anjum in India. Has Urdu VOA been successful in subliminally making a positive change in the lives of the people of Pakistan? Well, I would say absolutely yes.
Now with technology improving as much as it is, we're able to really bring in voices from Pakistan.
You have people that you can guide, motivate, and inspire. They will rally behind you.
UrduVoa.com.